Welcome to the product tutorials on how to send an invoice to the client. I'm now logged into the Replicon instance. In order to learn about sharing an invoice with a client, let's go to the Billing tab and let's move to the Invoice section. Open the invoice that you wish to share with the client. There are two ways that you can follow on sharing an invoice with a client. The first way is to click on the preview button that you see here. When you click on preview, the invoice opens in a new tab and a URL is generated here. This URL is independent of the Replicon system. By this I mean that this URL can be shared with anybody external to the Replicon system, and they do not need to log in order to access this invoice. Moving back to our system, the other way to send an invoice to a client is by clicking on the email button that you see here. As you can see here, the two email IDs are generated automatically. The first email ID is of the account through which you have logged in to the Replicon instance. This of course is editable and can be changed based on your requirement. The second is the email ID of the client that is input in the client info. This can also be changed and multiple email IDs can be attached here. You can copy this invoice and add a subject based on your requirement. The message here is also editable, and the link that you see here is the same link that we retrieved by clicking on the preview button. Once you click on send, this will be sent out to the client. This is how you can share the invoice with a client in Replicon. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon using Replicon Community? In order to access Replicon Community, on the home page, go to Customer Zone and then click on Community. You can now sign in or register and start posting your ideas, queries, questions, and one of our product management team members or the Replicon specialists will get in touch with you immediately.